All right, what up, y'all? So, just a quick video. I saw somebody do this on another Lexus. They did it with red, but basically, I'm changing the color of this logo. So, I saw somebody that has some headlight tint, so I went and got some headlight tint, the same that I use for these DRLs on the sides. Got it cut out. We're gonna clean this up with some alcohol, make sure it's clean enough, and we're gonna slap this vinyl on here. And it's just like doing any other kind of like a headlight tint. You just make sure it's clean. With this being so flat, you didn't need any heat. Probably could have did it a little bit better, like if I had a little bit, took a little bit more time. But basically, you stick it on there, take your time, try to get the bubbles out. I got a few nicks in there, so that's why it looks like kind of like a bubble, but it's like a spot on the actual emblem, so it's just gonna show up like that. But smooth it out with your hands, get everything nice and smooth to the edges. I got this shape cut out on the computer, so didn't have to worry about using a knife or any of that. Just cut it with the Cricut. But here's the finished logo. Looks real gold, matches the headlights perfectly. So I think it looks good on the front, especially with all the chrome being blacked out already. So I might have to do something similar with the back logos, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm at the back. This is what it would look like if I put that stuff on the emblem. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm not even sure how good it would last back here, but especially on emblems. But I really don't know. What y'all think? Let me know something.